In the previous videos, we created high-quality thumbnails, turned them into editable designs, and prepared them as a digital product. Now in this episode, we're going to move into the most important part, actually setting up your store so you can start selling your thumbnail pack online using Gumroad. First, head over to your browser and in the search bar type Gumroad. Click on the first result that appears and you'll be redirected to Gumroad's homepage. From there, click on Start Selling, then scroll down to the bottom where you'll be asked to enter your email and password. Once you've filled that out, click Create Account, and within a few seconds, your shop will be automatically created. When I first started using Canva, I used to just drag random elements onto the canvas and hope it looked good. Sometimes it worked, most of the time it didn't. I didn't really understand why some designs looked clean and others felt messy. It honestly felt like I was stuck, like I wasn't improving even though I was practicing. That's exactly why we created these beginner-friendly Canva assets. These are designed to help you level up your designs faster while actually understanding what you're doing. Instead of guessing, you start recognizing which elements work, what combinations look good, and what people usually use in real designs. So if you want to stop feeling lost, save time, and finally improve your design skills with confidence, just click the link in the pinned comment down below and start seeing results as soon as you receive your assets. You'll now land on your dashboard where you'll see a lot of different buttons and options. Don't get overwhelmed. I'll guide you step by step. The first and most important thing you need to set up is your payment method so you can actually receive your earnings. On the left-hand panel, scroll down and click Payouts, then click the button that says View Payout Threshold. From there, just check all the required boxes and select your country of origin. After that, you'll be able to add your bank details. Personally, I use Wise since it's an international bank that allows you to open an account using just your email, a valid ID, and your phone number. Once you're ready, enter your bank details including your name, account number, BIC code, and other required information like your phone number and date of birth. After filling everything out, scroll all the way up and click Update Settings to save your information. After setting up your payment method, the next step is to customize your shop profile. At the top, you'll notice you're currently in the Payments section, so go ahead and click on Profile. Here, you'll be able to customize how your shop looks to potential buyers. Now here's something important to understand. Your username is what appears in your shop's link, which you can see displayed in this section, while your name is what buyers will see on your storefront. From here, you can also add a bio, upload your logo or profile picture, and customize your shop's typography, background, and highlight colors to match your brand. Once you're done customizing, scroll back up and click Update Settings to save everything. At this point, your shop is fully set up and ready to go. The only thing left now is to actually publish your digital product. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You have now learned how to create your own Gumroad shop and set up your payment and profile so you can start selling your thumbnail packs online. If you want a step-by-step guide on how to upload and publish your product, make sure to watch the next video, which you'll find in the pinned comments down below. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.